All right, welcome back. So I've got a really cool bike here. This is a Raleigh C50. This is a chromoly bike that one of my wife's co-workers was cleaning out their garage or something to that effect, and they were getting rid of a bunch of stuff. So this bike was going to be probably discarded or thrown away. So it does have some overspray kind of all over it. You can kind of see, but it's got this really cool badge on the front. Let me see if I can get a better angle on that. Oh, that's a much better angle. So tell me what y'all think. Is this thing really worth restoring, bringing back? I kind of think it is. I mean, it's chromoly. You can see it's got all of this overspray. The paint is definitely rusting through. Lots of rusting through the paint. And I don't really know how I'm going to go about fixing that. So definitely, if any of y'all viewing have a solution or an idea on how to take care of that, please let me know. So it's got these Alivio. It is a Shimano brand. You can see it here, Alivio, and that sticker looks like it's about to pull off. Shimano Hyperdrive C. Really cool. And look, you got on the chain guard here, you've also got that same logo. It looks like a crane. And then you've got that Alivio derailleur. So this also is pretty cool. This is kind of connected to the tire. It was on the inside of the rim. You can kind of see made in the USA. So that's pretty cool. Check out the down tube here, or not the seat tube. The C50 chromoly, it says. Made in Seattle, USA. Oops. There's that Alivio again. So everything's Alivio on this bike. It's got a rigid fork here, CX. It does say chromoly on it as well. It is a quick release, front and back. The shifters do not work. Like, it does not do anything. This just rolls back and forth. So I think it's disconnected on this side, and that one's the same way. This thing's probably been sitting in a garage or for a very long time. It's got the 700C wheels, and it looks like at one time this was a pretty good quality bike, and it was purchased at a bike shop. So, but if you look at the tires, they've actually still kind of got the nubs on them a little bit. They're not really worn off. So I don't know that this bike has much use at all. I think somebody bought it and just set it in the garage. RK Japan, Shimano. Trying to see what that says. JG Moto B 175 cranks. You can see there. Some of the stuff on this looks like it's a little bit higher quality, and some of it not so much. Like if this piece right here looks like it's a piece of stamped steel, I don't really like that. I'll probably replace that, to be honest with you. I've actually got one. I was planning to use this one because this one came off of an old Trek from 1990, and it's in my opinion, a lot better. I'm trying to read it through my phone. So just wanted to share it with you guys. What do y'all think? Any input y'all have about this, please let me know. If you used to have one like it, I'd love to hear about it. You know, that's it. I will keep y'all posted on the build, assuming that's the direction I go. Thanks for watching.